We can complete on-site DOT inspections for any of your vehicles that need to be out on the road. Whether you have a tractor trailer, an F-150 pull-in a dual axle trailer, or you have a straight box truck that is heavier than 10,000 pounds, we can come on site to complete those DOT inspections. And the more vehicles you have, the more money this will save you because it'll free up that internal operational load of having to schedule and play taxi and Uber driver with your employees all at the same time. So if you want to save money and have costly downtime removed from your internal operation, give us a call to discuss your business and your fleet.